So when you get overhead, that ball is going to come out of that socket. Now we're going to press. Now you're going to tear your shoulder up, right? So I want to keep that ball in the socket. So we're here, we press, it's a natural position. When you come up and you turn like this while you're back, makes sense? That shoulder's going to start tearing.